Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the iPhone so shortcuts work predictably. Update iOS if needed, because older builds lack features. Once done, open the Shortcuts app and go straight to Library so you can see what exists. Make sure Siri and Shortcuts permissions are enabled in Settings. This lets automations run and lets you trigger shortcuts by voice. These steps avoid permission errors later and put you in the right view to create or locate the shortcut you want. You now locate the shortcut by searching or browsing. Tap the magnifying glass and enter a name, action, or app. This is faster than scrolling. When you open a shortcut, inspect each action and its inputs so you understand exactly what runs and why. Edit mode shows variables and where permissions are required. Also check automations for triggers like time, location, or email. Some shortcuts live there instead of Library. This inspection step prevents surprises when you run a shortcut. You finish by testing and securing the shortcut. Tap the play icon and watch for permission prompts or missing inputs. Grant what's needed and run again. Once it behaves, save changes and optionally add to home screen, widgets, or Siri phrase for faster use. If something breaks, first toggle relevant permissions in Settings, then force quit and reopen shortcuts. Restart the phone if necessary. These troubleshooting steps resolve most issues and get your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.